Welcome back to Quiz Citadel.
Think you can guess all the capital cities of Asia? Let's find out! Can you guess the capital of Laos? Correct! It's Vientiane. Can you name the capital of Thailand? Exactly! It's Bangkok. Identify the capital of Bahrain. Excellent! It's Manama. Name the capital of Israel. Fantastic! It's Jerusalem. The capital of Kuwait is? Well done! It's Kuwait City. What is the capital of Saudi Arabia? Mecca, Jeddah, or Riyadh? Good job! It's Riyadh. Which city is the capital of India? Right! It's New Delhi. Can you guess the capital of Cambodia? Yes, it's Phnom Penh. Can you name the capital of Jordan? You are right, it's Amman. Identify the capital of Bangladesh. On point, it's Dhaka. Name the capital of Georgia. Correct, it's Tbilisi. The capital of China is? Exactly! It's Beijing. What is the capital of Azerbaijan? Ganja, Baku, or Sumqayit? Excellent! It's Baku. Which city is the capital of Turkey? Fantastic! It's Ankara. Can you guess the capital of Mongolia? Well done! It's Ulaanbaatar. Can you name the capital of Yemen? Good job! It's Sana'a. Identify the capital of Myanmar. Right! It's Naypyidaw. Name the capital of Oman. Yes, it's Muscat. The capital of Lebanon is? You are right, it's Beirut. What is the capital of Sri Lanka? Sri Jayawardenepura Kotte, Colombo, or Galle? It's Sri Jayawardenepura Kotte. Which city is the capital of Armenia? Correct! It's Yerevan. Can you guess the capital of Philippines? Exactly! It's Manila. Can you name the capital of Vietnam? Excellent! It's Hanoi. Identify the capital of Brunei. It's Bandar Seri Begawan. Name the capital of Singapore. Well done! It's Singapore. The capital of Japan is? Good job! It's Tokyo. What is the capital of Nepal? Lalitpur, Pokhara, or Kathmandu? Right, it's Kathmandu. Which city is the capital of Iran? Yes, it's Tehran. Can you guess the capital of Iraq? You are right, it's Baghdad. Can you name the capital of North Korea? On point, it's Pyongyang. Identify the capital of South Korea. Correct, it's Seoul. Name the capital of Cyprus. Exactly, it's Nicosia. The capital of Syria is? Excellent, it's Damascus. What is the capital of Timor-Leste? Dili, Bokau, or Suai? Fantastic, it's Dili. Which city is the capital of Indonesia? Well done! It's Jakarta! Enjoying the quiz? Like and subscribe for more. Can you guess the capital of Malaysia? It's Kuala Lumpur. Can you name the capital of Qatar? Right, it's Doha. Identify the capital of United Arab Emirates. Yes, it's Abu Dhabi. Name the capital of Kazakhstan. You are right, it's Nur Sultan. The capital of Pakistan is? On point, it's Islamabad. What is the capital of Uzbekistan? Bukhara, Tashkent, or Samarkand? Correct, it's Tashkent. Which city is the capital of Tajikistan? Exactly, it's Dushanbe. Can you guess the capital of Afghanistan? Excellent, it's Kabul. Can you name the capital of Turkmenistan? Fantastic, it's Ashgabat. Identify the capital of Kyrgyzstan. Well done! It's Bishkek. Name the capital of Bhutan. Good job! It's Thimphu. The capital of Maldives is? Right, it's Malay. What is the capital of Taiwan? Taipei, Kaohsiung, or Taichung? Yes, it's Taipei.
How many of these did you get right? Let us know in the comments section. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.